All right, I got them. I know I'm late to the party on this one, but a lot of people actually have told me to try these. How the hell am I supposed to open that? A lot of people. Ooh, juicy. Oh, how am I supposed to open those without making a mess? Oh my god. Okay, I'm running out of time. Okay, they smell very garlicky, and that's all over me. All right, here we go. My allergies are horrible, by the way. Good crunch. It's weird. It's like fresh and salty and garlicky. There's a big leaf in the bottom. They're good.